Really the Ghana to go where to go to the waterfall, so that's it. Guys, we are at the border between Ghana and Togo. The river is the one dividing the two countries.
So here is Ghana.
And we are standing in Togo.
Right in Togo now. So
and
we are heading for the waterfall.
Guys, in Tahasi Ayedroni there, all this part is part of Togoland. We have passed Ghana already. We are not coming back to Ghana. We are staying in Togo.
I'm a Togolese. I'm going to get married to a Togo.
Togolese.
Togolese.
Okay. Good morning. So today is another day, Monday, early in the morning. It is currently 5 o'clock and we are heading towards Willy Waterfall, so which is the Volta region. Then we'll probably go to Mountain Afajato for the hike. Probably go to also Togo if there is time. And then our last stop will be in Akosombo. So as you can see, the time is 5 o'clock. Then we have,
you know this. I got you what you need. Plugs and plugs. Ku-Vite. Partnership with Francisca. I'm gonna give you all the best you want.
Right guys, so stay tuned. Guys, so we are at the Willy Agumate Waterfall Tourist Center, as you can see behind me, and we're about to go on a 6 hours hike from Ghana, and we'll probably go to Togo too. We cross the border, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So stay tuned, guys. How do you feel?
I feel very great. Like Volta, I have to come and get a wife over here. Everything is rich over here, beautiful.
You have
like
somebody outside of you is a Volta.
Oh, it's not me, so don't worry. You want to say hi to my camera?
Hi.
Are we going with you?
No, you're going with David. So you guys just enjoy your tour.
Yeah.
When you're back, we'll talk more.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Kayo Shata.
the song. We are going for a hiking between Ghana and Togo at Willy Waterfall, and we are here in Hohoi. I mean, Ghana Volta is so rich, man. You don't have to miss it. Come to Ghana, come to Africa, and move with Ku-Vite. We got you all the plugs. Alright, so I'm sure she's going to go for rice.
Rice.
Yeah, what food we will like?
Jollof, fried rice, fufu.
Then you boil it.
Guys, what is this?
You take it hot. When you go, the flames are in your stomach.
Oh,
The
come on.
flames.
So how much is that?
20 cedi.
Which one?
Alright.
Before you take my number and buy. When you go, you call.
Alright.
Yeah.
So would I come and meet you? This is your town.
Guys, so we've started the hike to go on the mountain top, and this is how I'm looking. Let's see how I'll be looking like once we finish. Guys, we have not reached anywhere, just like 20 minutes, but I'm already dying. So I don't know if the 6 hours hike will happen or not. I don't think so. Actually, you're able to mark.
Francisca is trying. I think she almost gave up, but now I think she's feeling okay, feeling happy because of what he just said.
Can you see the waterfall?
Go to the top there.
So here we are at the second phase. The other side is 4K.
Hey, Jeremy. So that is mountain Afajato there in the middle. So we are nearly at the top of the mountain. What is the name again? Asoflow or something like that. Asoglu.
Yeah.
And no, honestly, I'm nearly gone. It is very, very high. Like we are very at the top, very, very top of the mountain. And the last bit is there. So we need to get this last one. And then we will go. So stay tuned.
So I'm up here, and I don't know if you can see. That's the waterfall down there. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Down there is the waterfall.
Welcome to Ghana, guys. Welcome to Willie Agumasha. Look at the waterfall down there. Can you see the waterfall? You all need to tour Ghana. Come on. Ghanaian people. Yeah? People abroad, come to Ghana. Okay? See all these wonders, all this beauty, the nature, the hands of God. Magnificent. Amazing. We are in the thickest of the forest. Now I'm scared. I'm very scared. So we are at the highest point of the mountain top. So this is where the Ghana place is, the highest point for Ghana. And then at the back there is Togo. There are the villages for Togo. And I think, so the border, where is the border?
The border between the mountains.
So the border is at the very other side.
Waterfall.
Is that the Willie waterfall?
So guys,
Konimo.
we are here and now we are about to go down. We are done with the hiking. It's now free time. And now this is our man. He did it all.
Hi guys.
Whenever you come to Willie, you meet him. Waterfalls, you meet him. He's very strong, slim but strong. And your lady, Francie.
We're about to go to the waterfall, so guys, stay
She's smiling and talking. That's it. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the beauty.
Thank you. Really, the Ghana to go to the waterfall, so that's it. Guys, we are at the border between Ghana and Togo. The river is the one dividing the two countries.
So here is Ghana.
And we are standing in Togo.
Right in Togo now. So
and
we are heading for the waterfall.
Water is very, very much potable. That is what the people that live in this place, they drink. Guys, in Tahasia, you're doing it there. All this part is part of Togoland. We have passed Ghana already. We are not coming back to Ghana. We are staying in Togo.
I'm a Togolese. I'm going to get married to a Togo.
Togolese.
Okay. Yes, no, she has really tried.
Guys, we are nearly at the waterfall, and the road to the waterfall is dangerous. Only God and this man. Finally made it to the waterfall. The journey here was crazy, but it was worth it. I'm so tired, but the view is crazy.
Welcome to the Willie Waterfall, the second upper. What you gonna say?
Guys, it was worth all that. Nyama nyama. Come. Welcome to the Willie Waterfalls, guys. So beautiful. Hi guys, so as you know, we are now at the lower waterfall. I just met this man. What's your name?
I'm Victor.
Victor, okay.
Yeah.
And there are loads of people here just having loads of fun.
Yeah.
As you can see behind me. The waterfall is just down there, then other people.
So what do you do?
What do we
We are done for the day, and the details will be out, right?
Whoa,
But
that's the bridge.
I'll tell you, nigga, if you fit, never try. What you gonna say?
I'll say it was amazing, but you need to prepare mentally, physically,
Spiritually,
otherwise, guys, you are going to die.
lelically.
Because it's so difficult. Like, but the views are worth it. Like, the views are definitely worth it. So prepare yourself if you want to see the waterfalls. I mean, you can take the easy route, but why don't you
Just kill it.
Just do it. Then that's it.
So we done, and we're on our way back. We can't drive back to Tema. We're just gonna lodge at Akosomo and watch out for the next trip, right?
We finished the tour, we finished the hiking, and we finished with the waterfalls. And let me tell you, if you are not fit, just go for the easiest route. Yeah? Go for the easiest route, because otherwise you will die. The way my legs are paining me and my body with this heat and sun, but it was worth it, I'll say. It was worth it. So if you want to do all the highest and the longest tour hiking, then prepare for it. Yeah, otherwise just take the easy one and then just go for the lower waterfall, and that's that. So I think today we will just lodge here in Volta region. Maybe we'll go to the Akosombo area and then we continue our journey tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you, guys. Bye.